Actor turned politician Kamal Haasan contesting 2021 Tamil Nadu elections. The news in detail. Actor turned politician Kamal Haasan on Monday confirmed contesting the 2021 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, adding that he will announce the constituency from which he will contest later. Haasan launched Makkal Needhi Mayyam on February 21, 2018 in Madurai. The party is all set to contest the upcoming Tamil Nadu Assembly elections in April-May 2021. On Sunday, he hinted at the realignment of political alliances in Tamil Nadu ahead of 2021 Assembly elections, while not ruling out a possible tie-up with actor Rajinikanth, who is set to float his party soon. Alliances will break up and alliances, that is the new combinations, will come together, the actor turned politician told reporters on his party's campaign for the polls likely to be held in April-May. Haasan was replying to a question if there was a possibility of his party striking an electoral deal with the to-be-launched outfit of Rajinikanth. Nothing more could be spelt out of alliances, he added. To a question on putting an M&M-led third front in place, he said it was not possible to divulge when that would happen. On denial of permission by the government for campaigning in a number of places, he said such impediments were nothing new and they were geared up to reach out to people by following norms in places in view of the coronavirus. In his brief address at an event, Haasan assured the gathering of designating Madurai as the second capital of Tamil Nadu if his party was voted to power. In a question and answer session that followed, he expressed confidence in eliminating corruption with the support of the people. His political entry was to serve the public who stood behind him ever since he joined the world of cinema when he was still a child. Haasan's party contested its first elections in the 2019 Lok Sabha polls, fielding candidates in 38 constituencies in the state, but failed to win any seat, polling only 3.77% of total votes. Meanwhile, TV reports in Tamil Nadu say that superstar Rajinikanth had registered the name Makkal Sevai Katchi in the Election Commission of India as his party name. In another 2 weeks, superstar Rajinikanth will step into active politics by announcing his political party. There is a huge suspense around all over the Tamil Nadu and the state politics, while Thalaivar fans are eagerly waiting for it. According to highly placed sources, Rajini's political party name is Makkal Sevai Katchi and an auto rickshaw is likely to be the party's election symbol. The reports are also coming out that the Election Commission of India has received an application from the party Makkal Sevai Katchi seeking an allotment of a common poll symbol. The ubiquitous three-wheeler, popularly known only as Auto in Tamil Nadu, has a ready People's Connect since it is piloted mostly by those belonging to the working class and used by the middle class, that is Rajini's target groups. The reports also added that Rajinikanth wanted Baba Mudra as the symbol to contest in the upcoming election, but the Election Commission is said to have allotted the auto rickshaw symbol for the actor's political party. News Desk, Karma News.